Imagine a world where robots do all the work and humans are left to enjoy the benefits. But is this a utopian dream or a dystopian nightmare? The release of humanoid robots with advanced AI capabilities is sparking fears of job displacement and a potential AI singularity. These robots are designed to learn and adapt, making them increasingly autonomous and potentially uncontrollable. But who's behind this development, and what are the implications for humanity? The first humanoid robot, Sophia, was unveiled in 2016 by Hanson Robotics. Since then, numerous companies have entered the market, including Boston Dynamics, SoftBank Robotics, and Google's DeepMind. These robots are being developed to perform a wide range of tasks, from customer service to surgery. But as we move closer to creating robots that can think and act like humans, we must ask ourselves, what are the consequences of creating beings that are more intelligent than us?
The development of AI-powered humanoid robots is a complex issue, and there are several factors at play. On one hand, these robots have the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, transportation, and education. They can learn and adapt to new situations, making them ideal for tasks that require human intelligence. On the other hand, there are concerns about job displacement and the potential for these robots to become uncontrollable. One of the key drivers of humanoid robot development is the need for cost-effective and efficient solutions to labor shortages. As the global population ages and the workforce shrinks, companies are looking for ways to automate tasks and reduce labor costs. Humanoid robots can perform a wide range of tasks, from assembly line work to customer service. But as these robots become more advanced, there's a risk that they'll displace human workers and create a new class of unemployed people.
The controversy surrounding humanoid robots is not just about job displacement. There are also concerns about the potential for these robots to become uncontrollable. As we develop robots that are increasingly autonomous, we must ask ourselves, what are the risks of creating beings that can think and act like humans? We're already seeing examples of robots that can learn and adapt, making them potentially uncontrollable. But what happens when we create robots that are more intelligent than us?
The future impact of humanoid robots will be significant, and it's essential to consider the implications for humanity. As these robots become more advanced, we'll need to develop new laws and regulations to govern their use. We'll also need to consider the ethical implications of creating beings that are more intelligent than us. But despite the challenges, the potential benefits of humanoid robots are undeniable. They can revolutionize industries and improve the quality of life for millions of people.
So, what's the future of humanoid robots? Will they revolutionize industries and improve the quality of life for millions of people, or will they create a new class of unemployed people and pose a risk to humanity? The answer lies in the development of these robots and the laws and regulations that govern their use. But one thing is certain. The rise of AI-powered humanoid robots is a defining moment in human history, and it's time to explore the implications.
So, what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? If you're interested in learning more about humanoid robots and the implications for humanity, be sure to check out our resources section. We've included a list of books, articles, and videos that will give you a deeper understanding of this complex issue. And if you're interested in learning more about AI and machine learning, be sure to check out our AI 101 series. We'll cover the basics of AI and machine learning and provide you with the skills you need to succeed in this rapidly evolving field.
And finally, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and commentary on the latest AI and tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.